Hi everyone, I am Rafaela Cerqueira and I will present the work entitled Are Movement Corridors Coincident with Areas of High Roadkill Likelihood, a Study for Felids in Brazil. What we did was to test if road segments used for movement are the same road segments that individuals tend to be killed, or if these are different road segments. And we did this for 5 felid species in Brazil. The tiger cats were modeled together. We used circuit theory to model movement corridors using occurrence data, and we modeled movement for each species' entire range. Then we extracted only the values of current along road network, and current correspond to movement corridors. We also used Maxent software to model roadkill likelihood only along road segments using roadkill data. Then we defined the road segments that correspond to movement corridors and that correspond to high roadkill likelihood. Then we spatially compared these road segments identified by the two approaches using Cohen's kappa coefficient, and we also used the regression analysis to test if current values had any effect on road mortality. The results show that there is no spatial agreement between the two approaches, as shown by the low values of kappa. These are the results for tiger cats, for ocelots, for jaguars, and for puma. The regression analysis also did not show any linear tendencies as would be expected if current explained road mortality likelihood, except for tiger cats, but there was no spatial agreement for these species. We believe this result can be explained by the fact that road mortality tends to be high in periods of breeding, so we believe that the road segments identified by road mortality models might be those that individuals tend to use during the breeding period. And because we use the occurrence data to model movement corridors, and these data are from different sources, it's highly unlikely that they correspond only from the breeding period. So the road segments identified by this method may be those that individuals tend to use during other behavior states as well, and not only breeding period. And the literature shows us that some studies that found coincidence between these two approaches usually use occurrence data to model movement from individuals during the breeding period. So when we do not find any validation from each method, this does not mean that they are bad models, but maybe that they may represent different mechanisms of interaction of animals with roads. So we suggest a complementary use of both methods when you think about mitigation. Well, that's it. Thank you.